In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sell car in GTA 5. First thing you wanna do is find a garage. So if you open the map, you will find a garage over here in this location. It looks like a spray paint, and this is where it's located. It's right over here. If you wanna just look at all of the garages, I think you can filter it from here. So there's one here, and there's let's see, it looks like a spray paint. So I think there's only two for now, but there might be more. So this is the one you're looking for. So once you locate the area, you want to come into this place and just like drive through the garage where you can sell your car. So here you will see some options where you can modify or sell your car. So if you go all the way down, you will see the sell icon. If you click enter, here you can sell it for $7,000. So are you sure you want to sell? Yes. And you have sold your car, as you can see. So you've made some money here. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.